how to create a new customer in Customer Setup in Businet. Users can manually create or upload multiple customers through predefined templates. While creating a new customer manually, users need to enter customer name, GL, account group, category, portfolio, and various other mandatory fields, along with contact and PAN details. They can also define the payment terms and alert days, along with credit limit. Further, users need to add the required address information and map the customer to the desired branch if applicable. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet.